When I travelled through Morocco, we didn't have grand desserts to finish off each meal. We'd have a simple orange salad and it works a treat. This is just one orange that I've peeled and cut into rounds. I'll add a pinch of salt and this brings out the sweetness, would you believe, of the orange. So a little pinch of salt along with some icing sugar to sweeten the oranges. And cinnamon works really nicely with oranges, so we'll sprinkle that with some cinnamon. And then to make this into a whole dessert, I love the addition of double cream. It's rich and it's decadent and it goes so nicely with this. So a generous dollop of this in the center. Look at that. And to make this extra special, the addition of dark chocolate. The bitter sweetness of it goes nicely with the creaminess of the double cream. So I'll just break off a wedge and I'm going to grate it over the top. Chocolate, orange, cinnamon and cream, a perfect combination, particularly if you want a super fast dessert that takes no time at all to make.